It's not a picture, babe.
Why is this so here?
Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my god!
What?
You want to know a secret?
Oh my god.
Jenna's balls haven't dropped.
Her butt. It is like so big.
Karina jizzes in her pants.
My girlfriend.
And I smoke pot.
Oh my god.
How long is that?
2 minutes. We went upstairs too.
I like to suck big laps.
Are those your favorite?
This is when we were upstairs.
I've never done it before.
That's what she said.
This is my sister's.
You wanna be
That's what she said. Guys, this is not cool at all.
What are you doing?
It's a video.
Oh.
Wait.
I told the camera a secret.
3 secrets.
What does it make you
I really like Karina, even though she's just my lover. I'm not lesbian like that.
We're not lesbian, we're bisexual. There is a difference.
Big.
Stop looking at me. Okay, so I did this. And Trevor got a boner.
Whoa there.
For real? Yeah. He's just like, Eric, move! Eric moves over. Clear shot.
Are you
He's
kidding
just
me?
staring at me. It's like, Trevor, you're a little happy. He's like a little bit.
Guys, this is my kitty cat.
Oh my god. Word.
What?
Word.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, that looked like a condom.
Where? Oh.
We need to. That's what we forgot to
Dude,
get.
guys, I'm so nice. This is how big my heart is. Like my mom.
This is my dick.
That's my
He has his own head. You know his name is Swirly Butt? Look at his butt, it's all swirly.
No, that's not his name. We named him something else.
It's Swirly Butt.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I was like, his butt's all swirly, and you're like, name him Swirly Butt. I was like, okay. This is my dick, Swirly Butt.
It's
It's down. I'm a little happy.